Welcome to GM Motorsports. Today, Lumpy Friday, but with a difference, because it's lumpy and charged. So today's vehicle is the HSV GTS, running the LSA. This particular gentleman is running the Stage 8 Plus. So the Stage 8 is the ramjet triple step headers. We've got the cold air intake. We've got the camshaft. Well, the reason it's a plus is because this gentleman's running our LSAMAX camshaft, which is the largest that we can run with the LSA to work with the supercharger really well. So again, camshaft, CNC ported heads, which is our GMM ported heads, which we've done a few videos on the flow rates on those. It also is the GM Motorsport top pulley. We've got the upgraded lower pulley as well. We're running upgraded injectors, which we will obviously need. And the rest of the exhaust system is a 3-inch centre. We've actually retained the standard bimodals. We think that it has a really nice sound with that setup, but also the customer gets to be able to keep that bimodal setup. So I guess enough of me talking. Let's fire it up and have a listen to it.